In 1971, Stanford University professor Philip Zimbardo conducted the infamous Stanford Prison Experiment. The study involved 24 male students, randomly assigned as either prisoners or guards, in a simulated prison environment. The experiment was initially scheduled to last 2 weeks, but was terminated after just 6 days due to extreme behavioral reactions. Researchers observed profound psychological effects, including extreme sadism and submissive behavior. The experiment took place in the basement of Stanford's psychology building, where the students were constantly monitored. Zimbardo himself played the role of the superintendent, overseeing the entire operation. The results were published in 1973, revealing shocking insights into human behavior and cognitive biases. The study showed that even normal, well-adjusted individuals can become perpetrators of abuse when given authority. The implications are chilling, suggesting that our surroundings and social context can drastically influence our actions. Follow for more shocking psychology experiments. What's the darkest human behavior you've ever witnessed?